The world of wine can be a little bit intimidating, so if you don't consider yourself a wine expert, don't worry, I've got you. I'm here in Adelaide, in one of the wine capitals of Australia, and I'm chatting to some serious wine experts and getting all their tips so that you can sound like a wine expert too.
If you're asking for wine, say like something like I'm looking for a nice alternative varietal.
What are you guys drinking? What's new? What's cracking? What are you liking? Have you got any minimal intervention wines? Boom, there you go.
Yeah.
Like I'm looking for a bone dry Riesling. That'll get people going, yep, okay, I know what you're talking about. Yeah. Please don't go into a restaurant and ask for a smooth red. That doesn't help me at all, unfortunately. Say something like I'm looking for a bold red or something light and fruity. That might give a little bit more of an idea about what type of red. But smooth, it's such a weird descriptor.
Your wine Sherpa. I'm here to get you to the top of the mountain and to have a good time while we're doing it.
When it comes to South Australian Prosecco, you can't go wrong, even when it comes out of a can. Cheers!
It's tannin structure, crisp acid line. Yeah, just structure's a good one. Fruit forward. There you go, there's some fun stuff. More expensive than wine, and I don't think that's worth it.